welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a collaboration video with two other YouTube mummies, Mama of 3 Coffee with me and Mummy Joe 13. So I will add their links to their channel in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check out their videos as well. We're going to be packing up for a full day out with some of Jujube's bigger bags. I'm packing for 1 child, Mummy Joe 13 is packing for 2, and Mama of 3 Coffee with me is packing for 3 kids. So I'm going to be doing the BFF, the Classy and the B Sporty. Out of these 3 bags, the B Classy is probably my favourite, although it is the heaviest bag, but I really do love the Classy. So right now I have everything packed into the B Sporty. This is a great bag, although it is quite hard to pack up because of the narrow opening at the top. You kind of have to be quite organised in this bag, otherwise you're never going to find anything. Now this does have the carry handle, it does come with a messenger strap, and you can add stroller hooks on it and you can hang it from your stroller. It has the backpack straps that I actually really love. This is probably my favourite backpack style bag to carry. So it does have the cell phone pocket right here that I don't have anything in right now. Over in the back change pad pocket I have a little package of wipes. The side bottle pockets here, these are my favourite bottle pockets on all of the Jujube bags. I love the bottle pockets on the Sporty. In this one though, I do not have a bottle. I have my Be Rich wallet because this is my favourite spot to carry my wallet on this particular bag. Over on the other side here, I do have a little sippy cup right in there. Now this does hold the taller ones as well, I just happen to have a small one in there right now. In the front mummy pocket here, I have a couple of little spare trash sacks in there. And over in this bit here, I have this packed up as a little diapering station. Now, I think most diapers will fit in here depending on what size they are. I think these are a size 4. I have a light change pad in there. I have a full package of wipes, and I have 3 diapers right there. So that's just if I need to, get someone changed quick, everything's right there in that front pocket. So this does have the flap, and I'm just going to open this up so you can get a better look at the inside. This is not a bag that I don't think would use for a full day out, not with a younger child. I would use it with my older kids, I think. Just because it's a harder bag to pack up, and that's in my opinion, and you have to be really organised in here. So anyway, sat on top I do have a little blanket, and this is how it kind of looks. So everything is in pouches in this bag pretty much, just because it makes it a whole lot easier to find. In this back zipper pocket here, I just have a little coin purse with coins in. I have another cup down there that I would put water in. It has the 2 mesh pockets at the front, and it has like a long floppy one at the back. So in one of the mesh pockets I have a medium set piece, and this has just a bunch of little snacks in there that I could grab quickly. I have a small set piece in rose coloured glass, and that just has charger stuff for my phone. I have one in peekaboo, and that just has some mummy stuff in there. I have a little custom med pouch in the Iconic 2.0. And then in that other mesh pocket, I have a little Be Organised piece in Space Place, and that just has some little toys in. And then in the large mesh pocket, I have a Be Quick in the Iconic 2.0, and that has a wet bag and 2 outfits in there. Now, I won't be using this with the other 2 bags today. And then last of all down there, I just have some extra diapers down there. I had 2 extra diapers. And that is pretty much what I had in the Be Sporty. So I'm going to actually now go ahead and pack everything into the Be Classy. Just move those to the side there. So this is the tote style bag. It does come with a messenger strap. I would not use this for a full day out, I don't think. I have used it for a full day out, and I don't really like using it with a messenger strap, but you kind of really have to if you're going to be using it all day, because these tote straps will hurt your shoulder after a while. But out of the three of them, this is probably my favourite bag to hang on a stroller because it hangs really nicely, and when it's on the stroller you can see everything in there. So I'm going to go ahead and pack my outfits into this bag, and I'm just going to put them into the mesh pockets here. I kind of like using this bag with not many set pieces, just because the internal organisation is really good and you can see everything in here, and you don't really want to be adding any extra weight into this bag. So I'm going to put my wipes right into the middle there, along with some of the diapers. So they're just kind of sat right into the middle of the bag there. I'm going to put my little med kit in there as well, just like that. And then the small be organised with the toys I will put into the mesh pocket over at the front there. My little trash sacks I'm just going to put into that zipper pocket that's right there. And then, as you can see now, when that's sat on a stroller you can see everything in there. So I'm just going to sit my snacks right on the top. In fact, I think I can just put my snacks right there standing up, and then the little blanket right on the top there. So it's kind of getting a bit full. I could fit more into the top there, but it, like I say, it's kind of a heavy bag, so you kind of want to pack this one sparingly, in my opinion. Unless it's going to be hanging on the stroller all day, then it doesn't really matter. So in this back pocket here, I'm going to put my light change pad and my hand and face wipes. Close that up. And then I have a little passy pod on the side here that has 2 pacifiers in, and this fits on all 3 bags. So the bottle pocket here, I'm going to put one of my little sippy cups. And then over in this other one, just going to stick the other one in there. And then onto the mummy pocket of the bag. So it kind of is a tiny bit tight in there now, so I'm going to put my Be Rich wallet in there, my coin purse, a little set piece will just go over in the corner there, and this one will just go right there. So it should, maybe it doesn't zip up. I might just have to switch those. That one's a bit thinner. Put that one there, and that one over there. There we go. The more you pack inside, the tighter that mummy pocket is going to get. So there it is all packed up in there. Now this bag is heavy now. When I pick this up, it is kind of heavy. So I would not want to be carrying this all day on my shoulder for sure. So now I'm going to unpack everything out of here and put it into the BFF so that you can see the size difference there. I'm going to start off with the front mummy pocket. Now this does have the grab handle, the backpack straps, it does come with a messenger strap, and again you can hang it off your stroller. This is quite comfortable to wear. The only thing I find with this one is if you're wearing it for a full day or for quite a while and it's hot, your back kind of gets a little sweaty with it. But other than that, it's quite a comfortable bag to wear. So there's the mummy pocket, and I'm just going to take everything out of this one. So I'm going to put the little set piece in this pocket right here because my phone just really does not fit into this pocket, but a small set piece will. So I have the Be Rich, the coin purse into that front slip pocket, and the set piece there. And that should easily close up there. So I'm going to go ahead and pack up the inside here. Just open that up. So here I'm going to put the blanket on the bottom of the bag right there, along with the outfits as well. Now you can use set pieces with the BFF. It works really well with set pieces or Be Quick. But sometimes I like using it just with no kind of set pieces in this middle bit here, and then I can still see everything. Everything's really easy to get to, and I'm only packing for 1 child, so it's not like I have to fit a ton of stuff in here. So the little med kit piece can go into that pocket right there. My wipes should fit into this one here. And then the diapers should fit into the little slip pockets at the back here. Now this does have two other pockets behind these slip pockets, but I actually have nothing to put in there, so those are going to be empty today. So get all the diapers into there. Little snacks I can put right there, and the toys can go on the front there as well, and then the little trash sacks I can just throw into that pocket that's right there. So as you can see, there's lots of room left in this. I could easily fit a few more diapers, yeah, just pretty much anything really. I could fit quite a bit more stuff into this. So this one is probably the bigger bag of the three of them. I think you can fit more in it. So I'm going to just grab the bottles and show you. Put the one bottle in that side and the other one in this side. And then over in the back I will just grab the change pad. Put that in there. And this is a light change pad. These come, apart from the Sporty, the BFF and the B Classy comes with a memory foam change pad, but I really don't use them because they're kind of big and bulky, so I prefer to just grab a B Light. The Sporty does come with a light change pad, which is really good. So there is everything packed back up into the BFF, and yeah, in my opinion the BFF does hold a little more. It all depends on where you're going, what you're doing, and how many kids you have with you, I guess. But I love all these bags for different reasons. And like I said, the Classy is probably my favourite just because I like the look of it. But they all work really well. This one would be the hardest one to pack up. But yeah, so anyway, hope this video is useful for someone. And don't forget to go ahead and check out the links in the description box below to the other two channels, and any questions please comment below, and thanks for watching.